This one is already cooked. Hindi naman nakikita ang ano. Ah. Hindi ka naman nakikita.
Maano to?
Pork. Ay, chicken.
Ito po.
Why?
Pala.
Hindi ka naman nakikita.
Okay lang.
Oh, may over.
Hihihi.
Ah.
Thank you.
Kain lang. Mamaya, magbayad na. Wala nang pambayad. Anong gagawin pag walang pambayad? Maghuhugas ng pinggan. Just sleep.
Mama, wala akong signal.
Ha?
Wala akong signal.
Why?
Don't know.
Dagal walang kain.
Hihi.
Alam mo ba na dadalwa lang kami dito mag-iyak? Kami lang sa si Ashley. Sulo namin lahat. Hindi ko naman kumuha ng ano. Inumin.
Kain mo na.
I want to drink. I eat some of and then wala na oh. Huwag naman kumuha. Wala na.
Mama, mayroong hotspot.
Na?
Hotspot.
Di ba meron ka niya?
Ano?
Bakit walang signal? Ang dali, kuha ka na muna ng ano dali. Wala na tayong iihawin. Ha? Kinatuwin da. Mamaya uli. Pero kailangan natin mag-ano, mag-ihaw.
Okay.
Kuha ka ng ganito.
Ano yan?
Mukbang tayo, mukbang. Kain tayo, kain. Dalawa lang kami dito. inumin.
Anong gusto mong inumin?
Bakit ka kaunti? Dagdagan mo ito.
Anong gusto mong inumin?
Dagdagan mo ito.
Kunin mo na.
Hindi na, dagdagan mo ito.
Take the salmon.
Dagdagan mo yung beef.
Anong gusto mong inumin?
Kahit saan.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Takaw?
Ha?
Meron pa dito.
Ha?
Meron pa nga dito.
Nakuha na ikaw na, ano?
Yup. Inumin. Inuman or inumin?
Inumin.
Inumin.
Saan tayo nagkain kahapon? Saan ka kumain kahapon?
Kahapon? I forgot.
Ate Victoria?
Oh, yeah.
Mali yun ni Ate Vic.
Yup. No, you have to clean the top first.
Yeah.
Nah, don't drink so much. Or you cannot finish it.
Not enough. I'm very hungry. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you.
I have to cut my nail later.
Huh? What's that? Finish?
No?
What time finish? Until what time?
I don't know.
1 hour? 4, 5.
I think before I stay here 2 hours.
Hmm?
Before I stay here 3 hours.
Before what?
I stay here 3 hours.
So what time is it?
Don't know.
6 o'clock. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock.
2 hours down.
Yeah.
But now, it's still 5.
Huh?
It's still 5. So kain pa mo.
Yeah. Where's the many oil?
Don't know. There's a lot of oil.
How come I'm not it full? And then done. Doon meron na doong beef, wala pa.
Maybe. We
Meron
already eat
na.
a lot of it.
No, the other one that they say that only 5 o'clock there is one. 6 o'clock we go out.
Okay.
$16:32 we start. And then what time we will finish?
I think 18.
Five. This look like me. Eat more.
Then I'll look
And
like
then you see nobody here. Arkilado namin ang buong BBQ, di ba? Di ba? Social. Celebrating for Aslis Honorable. Yeah, ang lahat, kami lang dalawa, di ba? Walang iba. Okay lang, one time lang naman kami kakain, dalawa lang. Pambili yan ng sapatos ni Ashley.
Ah,
Joke! Diba? Ano pang tapos na itong pagkain natin ito? Kakain pa tayo.
kain.
Barbecue pa tayo ng sino. Huwag naman all.
Ah.
You want? Mukbang pa more. Eat pa more. Tingnan mo.
Masarap.
Yan. Mag-live kaya tayo.